Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to talk about the Supcase lineup for the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now before I jump in, if you end up liking my content, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and that notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, let's look at the first case. And this is for the iPhone Pro, okay? Unicorn Beta Pro. Let's go ahead and take a look. Get it off. Get rid of this. Let's go ahead and peel this off as well, right here. Slap this right in here, just like so. That lined up. Let's drop this in there. Just like that. And it's looking nice. Now, I don't have the actual iPhone 15 Pro, all right? This is a dummy unit. So I'm not gonna be able to power this on, but you can at least see how this will look. All right, so you can see that the camera or the cameras, the lenses are protected, well protected. The first button here, which is clickable. Your volume rocker, which is the power button, your volume rocker. Button here as well. All right, and then cutouts for your speakers. And then first time ever Type-C charging port. Now this has a kickstand. All right, so of course you can use the kickstand in this way. Pretty cool. And you also have the holster. All right. Pop that in there and you're good to go. And this does swivel as well, as you can see. All right, really nice case for the iPhone 15 Pro. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, so let's go ahead and slap the iPhone 15 right in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and drop this right into the back of the case. There we have it, nice and snug, and boom. Really nice case for the iPhone 15, all right? You got the ring holder, and which you can, use it like this to hold it. Also serves as, you know what, a kickstand. All right, really nice. As you can see, it does not stand up this way, but at least you have it for landscape. So really nice there. And of course you have the holster with it. You can go ahead and just drop that in there, peel that back, and it's good to go. Really nice. This case is also mag safe. All right, so you can definitely do mag charging with this case here. Let's take a look at the next one. Beta Pro case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Let's go ahead and get this dropped in here. All right, that's in there, and then we're gonna drop this back. Let's drop this in here. All right, so there you have it. iPhone 15 Plus. Really nice. Now, if you're wondering how to get this open, like the ring holder slash kickstand. Right in here, you just put your nail in there, inward this way. Get a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about. And it pops open. Snaps shut again, right here. Your nail goes here, and it pops open. Of course, you can hold it just like so. Really nice. Again, acts as a kickstand as well. Same cutouts, all right. But if you want to have a closer look, you can see that the lenses will be protected. All your button accesses are there. All right, and bottom cutouts there. Really nice. Let's take a look at the last two cases. Next, we have the Unicorn Beetle Pro, which is also MagSafe. This is MagSafe as well. All right, but this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and get this open. Here you have it. Let's drop this right in here. And boom, it's ready to go. Really nice. And you can see that your camera lenses are protected. Really nice. All right. And of course, you can do wireless charging with these cases as well. But if you look here, just pop that open. There's access to your camera. All right, when you're done, pop that closed. Have all your cutouts at the bottom, as you can see. Buttons right here. And power button there. All right. So, all in all, really nice. Let's take a look at the last case. And what's nice about this case as well, it has the reinforced grip, as you can see here, the patterns. So, easy to hold. Actually feels comfortable to hold as well. Let's take a look at the last case. All right, we have another Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ooh, that looks like fire right there. That's really nice, but let's go ahead and get all of this out of there. All right, so let's go ahead and get this dropped in here. Just like so. Really nice, and then let's pop this back on here. All right, and looks like it's good to go. That's dope. That's really dope. Very nice and comfortable to hold. All right. Again, you have all your protection there, as you can see. Bottom cutout. Of course, you have your charge port cut out there. Buttons are here. So that's one. Of course, you have your other ones here. Really, really nice. Screen protection and cutout for the camera. All right. Really nice. And then of course you have your, oh, forgot to mention, the kickstand. It's really nice. All right. Let's pop that in there. Pull this back. And it's in there. And it swivels, of course. So there you have it. This is the Supcase iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max case lineup. All right. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, of course, I'll have a link posted, or I'll have links posted in the description section of my video.